They want to see a loop. They call it closing the loop. So in 1 year, ideally you do this on an annual basis rather than on an every semester basis. You collect data. You come up with a way that you might be able to effectuate an improvement in the data. You try again the next year and see if you improved it. Whether or not you have improved it or not, it still counts as closing the loop. But if you do this right, you should have some examples of improvement that you can share with the team. When you're teaching an MBA class, it's really important to get them involved. It's really important at all levels of university education nowadays with today's population of students, but especially the MBA level. You want them to be making decisions. You want them to be more actively engaged in their learning, and a simulation in general is a great way to do it. It's a nice alternative to multiple choice tests. You have the permanent record. They give you the record of what decisions were made by each team and how each team did. And if it's a simpler simulation like the one I use in my undergraduate class, you can use the first method. For more complex simulations such as this one, you can use the second method. But either way, it counts towards assurance of learning. The nice thing about simulations for assurance of learning is you have a record of what happened in the simulation, because the simulation provider is going to tell you not only who finished first and who finished last, but what decisions they made. And so in a simulation that I use for one of my other classes, I'm able to compare the decisions that they make each week, each period, to what the best decisions would be. And so I can see what percentage of teams made the optimal decision.